Urban infrastructure and financing.
What is it?
Why is it important?
What benefits does it bring to our lives?
And why is infrastructure threatening us instead of protecting us?
What? Threatening?
Why?
Wait, let's understand a few things first. Infrastructure is the social and physical structures, services, and facilities necessary for the operation of a society in order to increase its economy and to create a livable environment.
It can be deployed in two different ways. Green infrastructure consists in all the physical service like water, electricity, sewer, transport, or any structures that provide service built by mankind. They usually have only one single goal, not considering performing other infrastructure functions in the same special area at the same time. For example, the water system can provide the water for residents, but it can also reuse the water provided for other purpose. In both cases, the water system is a green infrastructure because it's not natural. The difference is when the system reuses the water, it's a great infrastructure thought in a sustainable way. But then, what does the word green mean when it comes to infrastructure?
The green infrastructure consists in all physical services provided by nature. It is a nature-based solution that combines economic and environmental aspects by maintaining healthy ecosystems, reconnecting fragmented natural and semi-natural areas, and restoring damaged habitats, promoting good results for the economy, health, and quality of life. Thus, green infrastructure promotes both smart growth and smart conservation. For example, a park in a city can be a multifunctional green infrastructure area because it's able to perform many tasks simultaneously, combining recreational activities along with the carbon storage and sequestration. It also makes cities more attractive and promotes better health and human well-being in the same space. Infrastructure was created to make people's life better, but haphazard cities development ran away from this original purpose.
Humanity currently consumes natural resources more than the planet is capable of producing. By 2030, will be necessary 2 Earths to sustain our way of life, since more than a half of the world's population lives in cities, consuming over 70% of these resources. More than necessity, by waste and lack of efficiency of the products, systems, and service. Just the public neglect, underinvestment in technology, and low environment conscience of the population. But what happens when these infrastructures are not well planned?
Pollution.
Traffic.
Social segregation and slums.
Lack of green spaces.
City scales for automobiles.
Inefficient water system.
Inefficient energy system.
Inefficient sewer system.
Flooding. The real question is not whether we will grow, but how and where.
And what happens when it is well planned?
So why don't we apply these solutions?
The politic, economic, and social interests prefer quicker and cheaper solutions instead of invest and wait for long-term results. Raising living standards require economic growth and development, and a key to achieve these goals is a well-designed infrastructure. Infrastructure capacity grows step by step with economic output, and 1% increase in the stock of infrastructure is associated with a 1% increase in GDP across all countries. The relation between finance and infrastructure is interdependent because they are intrinsically related to each other. And where does the money to pay for all the infrastructure come from? It comes from taxes from citizens, donations, equity, private sector investments, banks loan, bonds, grants, multilaterals, public-private partnerships, among others.
For instance, the money to build a road comes from the investments of these different sources. The road brings benefits not only to local citizens, but also to the economy, returning the investments as the road can be used to many purposes, like the transport of products and people and money collected from toll roads. So, finance to provide infrastructure and infrastructure finance in the city make a holistic system.